Hey there! Welcome to this channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to hide and show the recycle bin on your Windows 11 PC. As you can see, my recycle bin is showing. To hide the recycle bin, right-click on the empty area of the desktop screen. Select Personalize. Themes, then select the desktop icon Settings. Uncheck the box before the recycle bin. Click on Apply and select OK. Similarly, you can show the hidden recycle bin by going to the desktop icon settings. Check the box before the recycle bin. Hit Apply and select OK. After that, my recycle bin is showing on the desktop again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or want to see more Windows 11 tutorials, leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and I'll see you in the next video.